In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up or create Counter-Strike 2 private lobby. Private lobbies are a great place to hang out with your friends while playing games. You have to play a few games in casual mode in order to access the function. Once unlocked, set up Counter-Strike 2 private lobbies by following the instructions now. Begin by clicking on Play and select the Matchmaking tab. Alternatively, you can select the Practice tab to create a private lobby. Within the Matchmaking tab, click on Private Matchmaking. Click on Share Code to copy the lobby code and share it with your friends. Just note that you can also invite friends by right-clicking on the game and selecting Invite to Play on the Steam Overlay page. To access the Steam Overlay page, press Shift plus Tab keys. Next, turn on the toggle switch for Open Party so that anyone with the code can join the lobby. And finally, choose the desired map from the options and click on Go to start the private lobby. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. And now you can enjoy a private game with you and your friends. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.